Welcome to Invested Insider, your trusted source for the latest financial news and insights. My name is Amelia Hawthorne, and today is the 5th of June of 2023. We have quite a bit of ground to cover today, as this week promises to be packed with noteworthy events that could shape the financial markets. Our first stop is Wall Street, where investor attention is currently trained on the OPEC meeting and crucial U.S. economic data releases. Crude oil prices have taken a significant hit, declining by 11% last month amidst concerns over weak Chinese economic data and potential recessionary headwinds. However, it's not all bleak on the oil front. The Brent and U.S. crude oil benchmarks rallied last Friday, showing some resilience. A slew of earnings reports will also be in the spotlight this week, with companies like GitLab, Science Applications, Ferguson, J.M. Smucker, Brown-Forman, GameStop, Campbell Soup, DocuSign, Vail Resorts, and Signet Jewelers stepping onto the stage. These earnings could provide investors with important cues and insights. Additionally, notable events include Cisco's 5-day IT event and Investor Day events by StepStone Group, Toronto Dominion Bank, and dLocal. Now let's pivot towards the U.S. stock market, where tech and growth companies are making waves. The NASDAQ 100 index has impressively surged by 33% this year, while the S&P 500 index has posted a respectable rise of 11.5%. However, investors should tread carefully as the rally's concentration in a few large-cap stocks, such as Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft, may expose the broader market to significant risk if these companies face any headwinds. This week also promises to be eventful, with Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference drawing close. The tech giant is anticipated to unveil its new mixed reality device, potentially named Reality Pro, alongside other updates. The prospect of this new device, rumored to feature advanced technology, could potentially drive volatility in Apple's stock. This, coupled with various data releases, including updates on U.S. factory orders, non-manufacturing services, the U.S. trade deficit, and consumer credit data, could significantly influence market trends. In conclusion, listeners, this week promises to be bustling with activity and rich with potential opportunities. As always, do your research, stay informed, and approach any investment decision with care. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights in our next episode.
The Invested Insider podcast does not offer any financial, economic, legal, accounting, or tax advice or recommendations. The information provided in this podcast or on the associated blog should not be construed as investing or financial advice and should not be considered professional advice. The views, opinions, and content presented in this podcast do not represent the endorsement or approval of Invested Insider and assumes no responsibility for the accuracy or completeness of third-party materials or content referenced in the podcast.